Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to create a professional Facebook cover. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to templates here, and then we're going to go to excuse me, Facebook cover. Alright, and then we're just going to go to create a design. Alright, and it's going to be a blank canvas. Now this is optional. You could choose from here if you want to make a quick uh, Facebook cover like that. But what I'm going to do is make a custom one. So we're going to go to, let's see, we're going to click on the canvas. We're going to click colors, and we're going to go to black. Alright, and then we're going to go to uploads. And then this is the logo that I created. We're just going to add that. And then we're going to move it over into our canvas. Alright, it's just overbroke one of the logos I created. Now if you want to just stop there, you can, but excuse me, I'm going to show you some cool things here. So we're going to go to elements. Let's see. And then we're going to put this cutout. So we're going to go ahead and add that. Alright. And then now the reason why I add that, because we're going to add a photo within that cutout circle. So we're going to go to uploads. And then we'll just, let's see, we'll just use this photo, and then we're going to drag and drop in there. Alright. And then, so another thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to elements. We're going to grab this circle and then put it over there. Okay. But what we're going to do is click on that and click on position and then move it back. And then now we're almost done. What we're going to do now is just even it out, adjust it. So we'll do that, boom, like that. Grab the circle again and then push it inward, and then continue to adjust it. Continue to adjust it until you get it just right. Okay, so I think that's good. So now what you could do is just go ahead and keep adjusting it to the way that you like it. You can move this over to the side, and or let's see, you can move this up, and then you could put more text, pretty much like what you do, like cook, affiliate marketer. So we'll just go to add heading here. Let's see. Just put affiliate marketer. Then entrepreneur. And then you could just do a spell check here. Let's see. Full-time marketer. Doing a spell check. And then you could change the font. I like to use this one and just make it, you can make it a lot smaller. Let's see. All right. So that looks good. So what we could do, if you want to add more elements, you could come over here and just pretty much add anything to your liking. So that was a quick tutorial. Well, no, actually, if you want to add like your social, you want to put your social media on there, put your Pinterest logo on there. Go ahead and add that. Or a better idea, make it look a lot better. Grab another square, minimize it, go here, make it white, and just put it at the bottom. Oops. Move it up that way. And then you just adjust it. Now you can put your social media on there, like Pinterest. If you have a Pinterest account, you could drag and drop it. You just have to adjust the position, move it forward. Make it a little bigger. And then if you have a Twitter account, you could add that at the bottom. And then of course type in YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel. Wait, put it forward. Just that. And then also, if you want, you could even add links as well. Look here, and then go back to text, add heading. Do like a grayish color. And then go back and change it to black. And then change that also, and then lower the font to around, I would say 24. And then just move this, just move this over. And then lower the font again. So you could put your YouTube subscription link, so they could just copy that, and that way you could get more subscribers that way. All right, so this has been a tutorial on how to create a Facebook cover. If you want more tutorials, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you for tuning in.